So the next step is stress patches. Why do we use stress patches?
Anywhere there's a stressful area, you need a stress patch.
Yeah, so basically any structural opening. Yeah, windows, doors, that sort of thing. Because it just gives it that extra reinforcement. So we have a minimum size for our stress patches. Can you tell me what they are?
Random guess, I'm going to go 25 by 35 centimetres.
No, 200 by 200 is our minimum size, but it's also important, the orientation. Yeah, so they need to be at a 45-degree angle, actually touching the actual corner of the beams.
So you don't want to be set back, is what you're saying?
Not set back.
You don't want to overlap it, right into the corner.
Right into the corner.
Okay.
Yeah, and the orientation, that 45-degree orientation, it's no good. As I have seen previously, people just putting them there and cutting out a bit there and they think that's the stress patch.
Why is that not acceptable?
Because it's the way the mesh expands.
Right, makes sense.
Yes. So if you'd like to stick those on yourself, yeah, and they just need to be tight. You don't need to notch these, they just need to be tight. You have got options.
Okay.
You can do your mesh first, then put your stress patch on.
Okay.
Or you can put your stress patch on while you're beading and then mesh over the top.
Got stress patches on, 45-degree angle. Is there anywhere else got a reinforcement?
Yes, so we've got the internal corner here, and I found a little tip with it is to reinforce that corner before you apply the mesh on. That way you're not trying to fold mesh around the corner.
Okay.
Now I found the best way is I cut a strip of mesh about 500 wide, and I fold it in half, the opposite way to the way it curls. So then when you put it into the corner, it actually holds itself there.
Brilliant.
Yeah? So if you'd like to coat that up, we'll bed this reinforcing into the corner.
Alright, Paul, so we've got our beads up.
Brilliant
Stress
job,
patches in the
brilliant.
corners,
Yeah.
45-degree angle. We've protected the corner, we've
Reinforced
reinforced the corner,
Yeah.
so we can run the mesh straight into the corner. We haven't got to lap it round and
Yeah.
have that
Awkward.
rounded
Yeah.
edge. Something we didn't pick up earlier is obviously we've gone round our boiler flue with mineral wool.
Yeah.
Because
So
we have
it's
to
that
have
minimum size of 200 by 200.
from the centre. So it's now ready to go face down. Would you agree?